Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English, date April 20, 2021. Let's start with international news. Former US President Walter Mondale passed away. Under Jimmy Carter, he was the first vice president to serve as a genuine partner of a president. Walter F. Mondale, the former vice president and champion of liberal politics, activist government, and civil rights, who ran as a Democratic candidate for president in 1984, losing to President Ronald Reagan in a landslide, died on Monday at his home in Pinneapolis. He was 93. No COVID-19 deaths in Abu Dhabi among the vaccinated. No one has died from COVID-19 related cases in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, after receiving all required doses of the Sinopharm vaccine. According to the Abu Dhabi Public Health Center, the Emirates Public Health Body conducted a study that it says shows the Sinopharm vaccine is 93% effective in reducing hospitalization for COVID-19 and 95% for intensive care unit visits. Kannada writer G. Venkata Subbiah passes away at 107. Kannada lexicographer Professor Kanjam Venkata Subbiah passed away in Bengaluru early on Monday. He was 107. Venkata Subbiah was commonly known in literary circles as a walking encyclopedia of Kannada language and culture. He had compiled 12 dictionaries, including 3 volumes of Ego Kannada, edited over 24 literary works covering different forms of Kannada literary such as poetry, grammar, and essay, and has also translated into Kannada 8 important works from other languages. Center extends rupees 50 lakh insurance scheme for healthcare workers. The center on Tuesday extended rupees 50 lakh insurance coverage scheme meant for healthcare workers across India who die in a line of COVID-19 that had expired last month but had been extended till April 24th as an interim arrangement. The scheme under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package, announced last year as part of COVID-19 relief package, had come into an end on March 24th, and the government had said that it was meant to provide a safety net to about 22 lakh healthcare workers. The latest extension after an agreement with New India Assurance is for next 1 year, and so far 287 claims have been settled under the scheme, which includes claim from the families of 168 doctors who died after contracting COVID-19 while treating patients. New head appointed to SIDBI Bank. SIDBI Bank expansion. Small Industry Development Bank of India. Siva Subramanian Raman has been appointed as the chairman for SIDBI Bank. He may continue his tenure for 3 years. DRDO developed supplemental oxygen delivery system for soldiers. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, has developed a SPO based supplemental oxygen delivery system for soldiers saving in extremely high altitude areas and COVID-19 patients. The automatic system delivers supplemental oxygen based on the SpO2 blood oxygen saturation level and prevent the person from sinking into a state of hypoxia, which is fatal in most cases. MOU between Indian Ministry and Germany. Union Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry and Germany's Atomic Power Ministry agreed to safeguard ocean environment by controlling plastic usage in sea. COVID-19 vaccination for all above 18 years from May 1. Centre has announced a liberalized and accelerated phase 3 strategy for vaccination against the coronavirus. Manufacturer would have to make an advance declaration for the price of 50% supply. Everyone above 18 years of age will be eligible to get vaccinated against COVID-19 from May 1. has liberalized the vaccination drive to allow states, private hospital and industrial establishment to procure the doses directly from manufacturers. Appointments. New Solicitor General to Madras High Court. R. Rajesh Vivekanathan has been appointed as a Solicitor General of Madras High Court. He belongs to Thoothukudi district. Sports news. MUSC Health Women's Open Tournament. Australia player Astra Sharma captured her maiden WTA title at the 2021 MUSC Health Women's Open in Charleston, which is located in United States. Greece player Stefanos won Monte Carlo title. Greece player Stefanos Tsitsipas wins the Monte Carlo Master International Tennis Tournament in Monaco. Stefanos landed the first Masters 1000 title of his career. Former international female hockey umpire Anupama dies of COVID-19. In 2006, she was the first woman umpire from India to officiate at the Commonwealth Games. Former Karnataka state hockey player and international player Anupama Pujimanda passed away. She was 40. Anupama has tested positive for COVID-19 around 10 days ago and was self-quarantined at home. The Karnataka State Hockey Association. Important dates. World Liver Day, April 19. It is observed every year to spread awareness about the second largest organ in the body. The liver is the second largest and the most complex organ in the body with the exception of the brain. Theme: Keep your liver healthy and disease free. World Voice Day 2021. World Voice Day is observed globally on April 16th and celebrates the phenomenon of voice. It encourages people irrespective of their sex to access their vocal health and take action to improve or maintain their good voice habits. The theme of this year: One World, Many Voices. Expected question. Question number 1. Who is the 39th President of the United States? Answer: Jimmy Carter. Question number 2. How old is former US Vice President Walter Mondale? Answer: 93 years old. Question number 3. According to a study conducted by the Public Health Center in Abu Dhabi, no deaths have been reported so far among those who have been injected with which vaccine? Answer: Sinopharm vaccine. Question number 4. Which ministry is announced the introduction of a new insurance scheme for frontline personnel fighting against corona infection? Answer: Union Ministry of Sanitation and Health. Question number 5. How many lakhs of insurance can be obtained under Prime Minister Poor's Benefit Plan 2020? Answer: 50 lakh. Question number 6. What is the summary of Small Business Development Bank of India? Answer: SIDBI. Question number 7. Who is the chairman of Small Business Development Bank of India? Answer: Siva Subramanian Raman. Question number 8. The Union government has announced that anyone over age of 81 will be vaccinated one day from which date? Answer: May 1. Question number 9. Where was the MUSC Health Women's Open Tennis Tournament held? Answer: USA, Charleston, Nagar. Question number 10. Who is the winner of MUSC Health Women's Open Tennis Tournament Academy? Answer: Australia player Astra Sharma. Question number 11. Where is the Monte Carlo International Tennis Tournament held? Answer: Monaco. Question number 12. Who won the Monte Carlo Master International Tennis Championship? Answer: Greece player Stefanos. Question number 13. Who is the new Assistant Solicitor General of Chennai High Court? Answer: R. Rajesh Vivekanathan. Question number 14. When was World Liver Day observed? Answer: April 19. Question number 15. What is the theme of All Liver Day? Answer: Keep your liver healthy and disease free. Question number 16. When was World Voice Day observed? Answer: April 16. Question number 17. What was the theme of World Voice Day 2021? Answer: One World, Many Voices. For more current affair video updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for the regular notification. Thank you.